How to withdraw money from Bitget to bank account. Before we start, if you're interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your Bitget wallet application, and the next step will going to be going in the wallet option on the bottom right of your screen, and then you need to go for the withdraw option. Now, in many countries, the withdraw option to your bank account is not available in the Bitget wallet. So what you need to do is to click on the send option and send your particular crypto to a third party exchange like Binance or any other third party exchange like Coinbase or Bybit. So let's say you want to go with the USDT on the Ethereum network, which is ERC20. So simply select it, and then you just need to open up your Binance, and then you need to go for the wallet. Make sure to click on the deposit, and then you need to go for the USDT, and make sure to select the same network, which is ERC20 on the Ethereum network. Copy your address, go back and simply paste it in just like so. Then you need to enter the amount, and then you need to make sure to go with the gas fee and make sure to confirm the transaction. Now once you have received it into your particular Binance, you just make sure to go for the fiat or P2P, and then you just gonna need to go for the sell option, go for the payment, go for the bank transfer, click on confirm. Then you need to simply go for any of these traders that are giving you the best rate. Then you need to simply select the payment method, which is going to be of course your bank transfer. You need to enter your bank or card number, bank name, account opening, IBN, and then confirm the transaction. Make sure to enter the right amount and make sure to read all of the terms and conditions. By default, USDT will going to arrive in within the 15-minute time period, which you just need to click on the place order. So hope this helped. This is how you can withdraw money from Bitget to bank account.